Have you ever pondered how the vast expanse of space unites us more than it separates us? In the mid-70s, amid the icy tensions of the Cold War, an extraordinary event brought two rival nations together. It was the year 1975 when the Apollo-Soyuz test project took flight. This mission was the first shared venture between the United States and the Soviet Union in the field of space exploration. It symbolized a thaw in the diplomatic frost, demonstrating that even in the cold void of space, warmth can be found. The mission was more than just a technological triumph. It was a beacon of unity, a testament to what humanity can achieve when we set aside our differences. The spacecraft from the two superpowers met in orbit, their astronauts stretching out their hands in a symbolic embrace. This historic handshake in space marked the first steps towards international cooperation in space exploration. Fast forward to 1998, we witnessed the birth of a symbol of global unity, the International Space Station. A marvel of engineering and human endeavor, the space station is an embodiment of collaborative spirit, a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. The International Space Station, or ISS, is a joint venture that transcends borders and politics. 5 space agencies, NASA from the United States, Roscosmos from Russia, ESA from Europe, JAXA from Japan, and CSA from Canada, pooled their resources, knowledge, and expertise to make this dream a reality. The construction of the ISS, a process involving the assembly of hundreds of parts launched separately, was an intricate ballet performed high above the Earth's surface. Multitudes of rockets carrying the modules roared into space, each launch a step towards the realization of an ambitious vision. In November 2000, the ISS welcomed its first long-term residents, marking a significant milestone in the history of human space exploration. Since then, the station has been continuously occupied, hosting astronauts from different nations, working together, conducting research and living in harmony far above our planet. The ISS is more than just a space station. It's a symbol of peaceful cooperation, a testament to our shared commitment to exploration, discovery, and understanding. It represents the very best of us, a beacon of hope shining brightly in the dark expanse of space. The ISS, a beacon of international collaboration, continues to orbit our planet, hosting astronauts from around the globe. As we gaze into the future, we see an even greater emphasis on international cooperation. The cosmos, with its infinite mysteries and uncharted territories, beckons us to set aside our differences and unite in the pursuit of knowledge and discovery. Take, for instance, the ambitious Artemis program. This multinational endeavor is set to return humans to the lunar surface by 2024. But this time, we're not just planting a flag and leaving footprints, we're establishing a sustainable human presence, paving the way for future Mars missions and beyond. This isn't just the mission of a single nation, but a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. And let's not forget about the Mars Sample Return mission, an unprecedented, collaborative effort aiming to bring back pieces of the red planet for the first time. Imagine, scientists from around the globe studying the same Martian rocks, unlocking secrets about potential life on Mars and the history of our solar system. From the Moon to Mars and beyond, these groundbreaking missions are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're not just about reaching new frontiers in space, but also about fostering unity and collaboration here on Earth. These ambitious missions demonstrate that the future of space exploration is a shared journey. A journey where the achievements of one are the triumphs of all, and the discoveries we make are shared amongst all nations for the betterment of mankind. In the grand scheme of the universe, our differences seem trivial, don't they? When we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded of how small our disputes, our borders, our ideologies really are. Think back to the dawn of international cooperation in space exploration, a time when nations decided to look beyond their earthly boundaries and reach for the stars. Together, we gave birth to the International Space Station, an awe-inspiring symbol of unity and shared ambition, orbiting our planet every 90 minutes. This spirit of cooperation didn't just stop at the ISS, it sparked a new era of international collaboration, paving the way for future missions and discoveries. It's through this shared endeavor that we've advanced our understanding of the universe and in doing so found common ground. In our quest to explore the cosmos, we find that we are indeed citizens of one universe.